Abaramuzi abarimu Eva Ruswata, Oscar Chika hamwe na Asa Mugenyi nabo bahurira urubanza oru hamwe n'izindi omukote jururamu emazire biro bishatu aha kote nkuru omurimbarra.
The brief record of proceedings is reproduced below for ease of reference. The court stated that the indictment is explained to the accused.
Koti ya Horangu Niyonzima Valensi omutura wa Nakivale omu district y'Isingiro akajuna n'umushango gwo kwita na nihoshira omwaka gw'2011 bwayama yo kukiraho butikirizana.
It therefore remains the duty of the court to ensure strict compliance with section 60 of the AIA to the extent possible. We expected the court to have recorded the language used in court.
Ogu okorekurwa emyaka ya mucwerirwe takahikire no kugira ngo izobe ryasindikirwa mu cyome omukote ejo hakaba hatari umuvunuzi kandi ebyabire nibugambwa akaba tarakubimanya hamwe no kugira ngo muramuzi tarabazira obwire obu Niyonzima yamazira ha rumanda.
Nahorishira went to inform his neighbor Awan Kamandana about what was taking place.
Abaramuzi bagira ngo obwire obu Niyonzima amazira mu cyome obw'emyaka 13 nubumara kandi obwe koti yakozire enshobi ibiri.
Having set aside the conviction and sentence, we turn to consider on whether to order a retrial, halt further prosecution of the appellant at this point as was prayed.
Oguna ichezebwa kujurura no kushaba koti okushashurira enshobi ezi yakozire ova musindiko mu cyome gashakwa na Good Fatuma.